Hello students, now I am going to start something new for you so that your boredom at home can be removed and you can feel like class. You are there sitting in the class. Now I would like to ask some questions to you and you will answer the questions. Okay, I will give you some options of the question what I will ask and you will answer me properly. Okay, now your chapter 1. Question 1 is, what is the name of the chapter? What is the name of the first chapter of your movement book? The Ghost Child, The Boast Child, The Lost Child, The Mummy's Child. What is the right answer? C is the right answer, The Lost Child. Okay. Now answer 2. Question 2. By whom this chapter has been written? By whom this chapter, The Lost Child, has been written? A. मुल्कबाज आनंद. B. मुल्कबाज आनंदी. C. मुल्कराज आनंद. D. मुल्क आनंद राज. C is the right answer, मुल्क राज आनंद. Okay. Now the next question for you. Who was with the child in the fair? Who was with the child in the fair? A. One of our 9th class student. B. His mother. C. His father. D. His parents. So students, D lock कर दिया जाए. KBC is running there. D lock कर दिया जाए. Okay. D is the right answer, his parents. Now the next question for you is, what is the meaning of gaily? What is the meaning of gaily? Gaily. Option A. Gaily is the sister of Meili. B. Mud. C. Said. D. Lively manner. So the right answer is, who will tell me the right answer? The right answer is lively manner, prasanna chitta. Okay students, in this series we are moving forward so that your boredom at home can be removed and you can learn the chapters well. Okay. Now the next word meaning for you is, obedient. Option A is not to follow parents. B. Follow only parents. C. One who obeys everyone. D. To eat more and more. What is the right answer according to you, my dear students? The right answer is one who obeys everyone. C. Next is what is the meaning of murmured? What is the meaning of murmured? A. To die. B. To die twice. C. To speak loudly. D. Whispered. WHISPERED. So, what is the right answer? The right answer is whispered. Bhan banana. Okay. Now, the next question for you is from the chapter The Adventures of Toto. So, the question is, Toto was a monkey, a donkey, a 9th class boy, option D is Tonga driver. So, Toto is a monkey. Next question for you. What was the cost that was paid by grandfather to the Tonga driver for the monkey? 11 rupees, 21 rupees, 31 rupees, 5 rupees. 5 rupees is the right answer. Next is who was Nana? Option is Nani's husband is Nana. Second option is opposite of Nani. Third option is to deny for something. Na. D option is female donkey named Nana in grandfather's private zoo. So what is the right answer? Female donkey named Nana in grandfather's zoo. What was made for Toto to carry him to Saharanpur? Option A is a canvas bag, a canvas suitcase, a canvas basket, a canvas sheet. A canvas bag is the right answer. Next question for you is the ticket collector classified Toto as a monkey, donkey, elephant, dog. Dog is the right answer. Now the next question for you, dear students. In the Kingdom of Fools, by whom it has been written? It has written by Ruskin Bond, William Wordsworth, A.K. Ramanujan or the king? A.K. Ramanujan is the right answer. What is the meaning of idiots? Intelligent, wise, stupid, intelligent. Stupid is the right answer. Okay. Who were the two who came to the kingdom of fools? Two of 9th class students. King or his ministers, guru and disciple, or the king? Guru or disciple is the right answer. What was the cost of everything in the kingdom of fools? 1 rupee, 5 rupee, dollar, dudu. Dudu was the cost of everything there. What is the opposite of idiots? Fool, wise, intelligent, donkey. Intelligent. The king and his ministers were really fools. Yes. Number 2, no. 3, yes, no. 4, do not know. Yes is the right answer. Who was the real culprit for the collapse of the wall? The minister, the dancing girl, the merchant, the bricklayer? The merchant. What happened with the disciple and the guru at last? They become the peon, they become the fools, they become the wise, they become the king or minister. King and minister is the right answer. Okay students, so watch this video, listen this video, so that you can learn something more about the chapters through games. Okay, thank you.